Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I honestly do not know how I ended up in this situation, but this is the 29th of December 2025, and I am definitely not stepping into the new year with this old, crusty looking twist. So, I am going to be doing this takedown ASAP. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and saturate my hair with warm water. Then I'm going in with a little bit of conditioner, and I'm focusing this on the roots of the hair where I have the most build up. Then I'm going in with a little bit of shea butter also. And once I start the takedown of each twist, I make sure to apply or reapply more shea butter, then begin the takedown process. As you can see, my hair is actually badly knotted and tangled, especially at the roots and the ends. So this is going to be a very long and tedious process, but this is not the first time, so I know my way around this kind of situation. So once I get to the roots, I reapply more conditioner just to marinate and soften the knots and tangles, so it will be easier to take down. For the year 2025, I did run one or two hair growth challenge, even though I wasn't so consistent. But for 2026, I am going to be doing a series of hair growth challenges. Okay, so if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. And I do have a Facebook group where I post more detail on my hair growth challenge and everything pertaining to hair growth and all of that. Okay, so if you are interested, let me know in the comment section. You guys, for the year 2026, I do want to try out a lot of things. I want to try out more hair growth challenge and be consistent. I also want to try out lots of hairstyles, and I'm so used to like never switching up my hairstyles. I carry my hair for like a month or two and all, but I would love to like experiment a little bit in 2026. I know this might come at a cost, but I'm willing to pay the cost, and I don't even feel like there's going to be a cost to this, because for the protective styles or for the hairstyles, I am going to be the one that is going to do the installation myself. Okay, I'll try not to ask or let a third party do the protective styles. That way I am able to control how much damage or breakage that happens to my hair. I haven't done a proper length shake, but I do think that my hair is shorter and all this December compared to how healthy and long it was in January, even though I did get a haircut or a hair trim. Okay, so I actually know some of the things that could have possibly contributed to me losing a few inches, and I am going to be more cautious in 2026. Okay, let me know if you were able to achieve your hair goals in the year 2025. Did you lose a few inches like I did, or did you gain a few more? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? As I said earlier, the roots of my twist are the most matted and tangled, so I did struggle with um getting out the tangles and knots at the roots. But once I applied the conditioner and let it sit for a little bit and all, it kind of came through. And um I didn't lose that much hair throughout this takedown process. Yeah, there were like some areas where I lost more chunks of hair, which I know why that happened, because the side where I lost the front perimeter where I lost more hair, the twist in that side was smaller, like it was small size, and this is something I actually try to avoid whenever I am installing my protective styles. I try not to make the front perimeter of my protective styles small, because it just tends to add lots of tension to that area. and then whenever I'm taking down, it just results to chunks of hair coming out and all, which is not a good experience. So I'm just going to be more careful with that. I want to quickly use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for supporting this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing to my channel. And if you're seeing this video and you're yet to hit the subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button so you get to see more of me. I definitely going to be creating more natural hair content, more protective style videos, just a lot of things. And if there's any particular type of content or video about natural hair or protective styling you would love me to create, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to show you guys the video. Okay, with my natural hair, I've noticed that it is always easier to detangle or get out most of the shed hair as I take down the protective style, as opposed to just taking down the protective style and leaving all the clumped hair in and then going to detangle later on. I just noticed that that process is just way too difficult for me, so I just always try to detangle or get out most of the shed hair with my hands while I am doing the takedown process, and this just helps me save a lot of time and also reduces the breakage I experience or encounter during my detangling process. Everything I'm going to be doing from this point, I have explained it, and it is also self-explanatory, so I'm just going to stop this voiceover and let you enjoy the video.